Okay, so now that you've wrapped your yarn 50 times around your medium cardboard, you're gonna just pull it off like that. And then you're gonna pull it taut and you're gonna cut at the bottom end with your scissors. Oops, like that. Then you're gonna open it up. Oop, make sure that you cut through all the layers, and then you're gonna pull it tight like this and take another piece of yarn, about 6 to 8 inches, and 1/2 inch from the top, you are going to tie your piece of your string around like that to hold everything together. And as you can see, it's going to make these little hands here like that. So make sure it's nice and tight. Tie a knot. Like that. And then you're going to have a long section like this, and next we're going to braid it, and I'll show you how in the next clip.